Cygwin is easy to install. Just go to cygwin.com, scroll down to installing Cygwin, and then choose either their 64-bit version or their 32-bit version. If you don't know which one to install, go to your File Explorer, right-click on this PC, go to Properties, and next to System Type, it will tell you what kind of operating system you have. I have a 64-bit operating system, so I will install the 64-bit version. You want to install from the internet. Choose where you want Cygwin to download to, and then install for all users unless you share your computer with someone else. Choose your local package directory. Choose direct connection. And all of these links work. It doesn't matter which one you choose. So this is where things get a little complicated, but are easy to do once you understand it. You want to go to Full, and then you want to search for what you're trying to install. So let's say I wanted to install 2048 QT. I will search for 2048 QT, and there it is. Then I want to go to the drop-down menus and install the latest version. And now when I click next, it will give me a list of what it is installing and a list of all the dependencies that it will install with them.